Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to enable Secure DNS in Firefox on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Secure DNS helps protect your privacy by encrypting your DNS requests. When enabled, Firefox uses DNS over HTTPS, also known as DOS, which prevents your DNS queries from being easily monitored by your internet service provider or other third parties. So let's get started. First open Firefox browser and then click on this one menu icon that represented with a triple line and select settings in the drop down menu. After that, select privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to the bottom to find DNS over HTTPS. Here by default you will see default protection is enabled. Scroll down and you can choose either increased system protection or this one max protection depending on your needs. After that, you can click on the provider drop down menu. Here you can select Cloudflare, Next DNS, or if you want to use any custom DNS, you can select this one option and enter the details. That's all about this video. Bye.